Nampak skrin saya kan? Pun
Okay, ada. Yes.
ada kan? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ini adalah EURUSD. First kita tengok dekat daily time frame. I think hari tu yang dia drop sampai 1.08. Okay, I think it was a bit extended a lot. Okay, because we were expecting at most 1.09 ataupun 110 will be the level. Tapi this part is due to the Ukraine Russia punya issue, so it dropped further about 200 pips lah. But nevertheless, dia rebound semula. Okay, from 108, it came back all the way back to berapa ni? 111. That means almost about 330 pips. Dia tapi looking like this broken support dekat 111.20, it is a tough nut to crack at this point. Okay, so with that, if you go a bit on the lower time frame, okay, we actually looking at it, it's actually touching this FIBO 50, okay, at 111.50. Okay, so this actually in a way is a broken support now turning as a broken support turning into resistance. Okay, so I think about two times dia cuba tak lepas, but I think it is trying to make maybe third attempt, but before it makes this third attempt, I guess maybe USD will strengthen very moderately. Okay, I think probably will come back to about 110. Because right now it's about 110.38. Okay, I think it will come back 110 ataupun 109, probably somewhere this zone. Okay, I think will act as a support. That means this we in a way is a breakout and a pullback to continue to break this. Okay, and attempt at least to about 112 to about 112.50. Okay, this is what I'm expecting at this point until the next FMC ataupun the next NFP. Okay, that means it gives room for Euro USD, okay, to ataupun Euro to strengthen ataupun US dollar to weaken a bit until the next NFP towards the next FMC. That means until the early part or middle part of next month. Okay, so but before it does this breakout part, I would expect it will probably come down, okay, to accumulate some demand, okay, ataupun buyers to really come in around this zone, around 109.50 to about 110, then push higher, try to go closer, maybe a minor rejection, then quick breakout, then a pullback, then goes. Okay, so at most here I'm looking about 112 to 112.50. Okay, and then in a bigger time frame, we probably see this kind of a move. That means they pull back a bit. Okay, come up, try to break out, and then maybe pull back a bit, then goes up, and then maybe test this level dekat sini. Okay, this zone. Okay, and then if we manage to break out, probably come back and pull back again. Okay, and after that, okay, we have to see the FMC, the next FMC, if there's a interest rate increase, then probably come back again to make a double bottom ataupun slightly on the higher low kind of a structure. Otherwise, if the next FMC there's no clear interest rate hike from FMC, we probably see it goes up from here. That means this part is just a pullback and then continue. So this I'm expecting maybe the next FMC probably break out this resistance ataupun if it's there's an interest rate high, then probably we'll see one more. But I don't expect to come down until to create double bottom. It will be maybe on a higher low to come here and then continue to range bound for some time. Okay, so itu yang saya nampak lah untuk Euro US Dollar at this point.
Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk pair Euro USD . Okey, kalau ada permintaan lain ataupun pertanyaan boleh type di ruangan komen ya. So, Cikgu Rashid boleh tolong bagi analisa untuk UJ sebab saya tengok UJ dia pergi agak jauh ya.
Yeah. Actually, the one we expected, I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago, we were expecting dekat mana hari tu saya bagi this level 118.50 to around I think 118.40. Okay, tapi dia terlajak this they break up this. I think most people also was trying to sell around 118 to about 118.50. Okay, so kalau kita tengok sini, I think most people 118 adalah dekat sini. Yeah, somewhere this zone, people started to sell, tapi dia terlajak almost about 100 pips. So kalau kita pergi dekat 4 hourly time frame, okay, this is a part I think people get caught dekat sini. Bila nampak ada first rejection, this is where people started to sell. Tapi bila sampai dekat 117.64, okay, then dia naik, okay. Sekarang ni dia dah buat ni, but I think it's already on a very overbought punya situation. Okay, kalau tanya saya personally, I would say look for sell already for this UJ. Sebab even tadi kalau kita nampak dekat let's say even daily time frame, I think 119 I think I put it 119.73 dekat sini. Okay, so it's either the most will be about 120, but I think at this point dia dah mula tunjukkan beberapa apa orang kata rejection. Tak nampak sangat. Kalau kat sini 119.40 dah mula ataupun to be exact 119.38. So kalau tanya saya, looking like a nice place to short at this point. Kalau saya ambil, katakanlah saya ambil dekat sini pun stop loss, ataupun even saya ambil dekat 190.75 ataupun 190.80. Even saya ambil dekat let's say lah somewhere dekat sini pun berapa 1 to 3, ataupun saya ambil dekat around 116 pun risk reward dah almost dekat 1 to 5. Okay, at least I expect dia pull back somewhere dekat sini, at least initially 117.50, that means almost about 200 pips to almost about 116.50, that means almost about berapa pip, 260 pips. Okay, so risk reward nampak cantik lah. Kalau siapa nak sell, boleh sell. Tapi kalau nak full margin, better letak stop loss kat sini sebab that might be a possibility 120 dia just fake out ke sini 120, lepas tu baru junam. Okay, so this part itu terpulang lah masing-masing risk reward ataupun risk management. Okay, but if you ask me, I think can start sell already lah. Tapi bila start sell tu, at this point bila dia sampai somewhere dekat sini tu, okay, I don't think JPY will strengthen a lot. It's just orang kata it's a pullback yang kita ambil ataupun kita cuba lawan major trend. Okay, so yang ni because of this move. Okay, so kalau setakat nak ambil dalam 50, 100, 150 pip, I think shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so hari tu dia cuma buat berapa pip move ni. Dia pullback hari tu pun 118.43, so almost 40, almost dekat 80 pip. So this time we are expecting almost about 3 times of that pullback. That means about 200 to 250 pips move at least minimum. Okay, but I think it will go a bit further, easily about 300 to 400 pips. Tapi for safety ataupun for low risk, better you guys take profit somewhere kat sini lah. Macam saya akan hold lama sedikit. Tapi kalau you all kalau nak get out around 118 atau 117, then go ahead lah. Okay, Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, itu analisa untuk pair UJ Cikgu Rashid, saya tengok yang level FIBO tu actually maybe can be boleh achieve kan? Saya tengok 2618 tu.
261. That's why I said it. Probably
Almost your SL there, yeah. 120.
that's why tadi saya ada bagi tahu kita nak sell pun boleh tapi dia this zone tu a bit tricky. Dari sini sampai 120 punya level. Sebab dia
Itulah.
boleh fake out dan baru turun. So that's why. Tapi kalau saya I think boleh start kalau equity cukup mungkin tak letak okay lah, I don't recommend publicly jangan letak stop loss tapi you guys know what I mean. Kalau equity cukup then just manage it without stop loss lah, okay. But kalau tak boleh nak ni better letak stop loss kat sini sebab ada probability dia boleh naik ke atas baru Juna.
Okey,
Tapi
baik. Terima
the
kasih
way
Cikgu
I'm
Rashid.
looking at it, I think it's very likely 190.40 will hold ataupun dia tak achieve. What might happen, I'm just predicting, dia come down, probably make this somewhere kat sini, baru ke atas sebelum ke bawah. So I'm expecting this move, something like this. Maknanya
Oh,
120 dia akan
okey.
achieve at the later part.
Kemudian. Oh, okey.
Kemudian. Because I'm
Okey,
expecting
baik.
this move, some positive not say positive news, US dollar to weaken this week, okay, and then after that probably US dollar to strengthen, then probably Ukraine Russia issue become a bit orang kata headline, then masa tu JPY start to take over together with the overbought punya situation, then JPY become the play at the later part after 3 weeks or 4 weeks.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih
Okay,
Cikgu
Bun.
Rashid. Baik. Okey.